Welcome to Discovery at Home. Today we have the Coin Tower Challenge for you. The challenge is to remove the coin from the bottom of the tower without the tower falling. Now, right now there's gravity forcing down on the tower, which is helping enforce the friction between the coins. So if we were trying to move them, the friction is strong enough right now that it's keeping the coins together. But if we want to suddenly change the direction of the object, aka the coin at the bottom of the tower, I want to force that coin at a pretty fast pace going away, but I want everything else to remain at rest. So we're going to use some inertia. Now, in order to make this happen, I need something thin, like a thin piece of cardboard, so that it'll match up with the coin at the bottom of the tower. Now, when I skate the bottom of the tower with the thin cardboard, I'll hit the bottom coin, forcing it out from the bottom of the tower, leaving the rest of the tower at rest. And hopefully it'll just go right down to the table without going forward like the bottom coin. Let's give it a test and see if we can do it. We did it! So, it is your job now to test different materials, different ways to remove that bottom coin using inertia. Happy experimenting, and we'll see you next time for Discovery at Home.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.